And we're back. Finally today, in New Ephyra, First Minister Jin commemorated the 25th anniversary of the end of the Locust War.
Today, we are humbled by the presence of 2 generations.
All right, let's move! Move it, Gears! We're only gonna get one shot to extract those plans! And once we take down the comm towers, this entire base is cut off!
Yes, sir.
We've got Indies! Up top! Take them out! Nice shot! Way to go, Private! Keep pushing! Tower's just ahead! Come on, the Major's waiting! More Indies!
Did you see that?
One less Indy to worry about! Damn it, they're dug in! Get around and flank them!
Let's go!
Who's that?
Let's go! Tower's just ahead!
I owe you one. Come on!
Leader, Green 1, approaching bonfire.
Roger that, Green 1. And sweet hell, these are done.
Okay, plan a charge on that tower.
Charge planted.
Cleaner, our match is lit.
Roger that. We're lighting our bonfire in 3, 2, 1. This base is out dim, dumb, and blind. Also, I'm shit canning our codename, Santiago. See you at the lab.
Yes, sir. The lab's just beyond that security gate. Push machine gun nest. We're splitting up. You two, take left.
We're spotted. Take cover. Hey, the Major's counting on us. Get up there. Don't let him pin you down. Move up. Now get a frag in there.
Fire in the hole!
Nice. Now get through that door. And don't mind the mess.
You two, you have the security codes. Override that gate. And with that, this raid is officially underway. Let's go. All right, you know the drill. Eliminate the guards, get inside the lab, grab the plans. Then we ghost.
So what does this hammer of dawn thing do?
It wins the war. And if we do our job right, every system here is wiped. And the indie scientists get an offer they can't refuse. All right, we're in. Let's go.
I think so! Moving so!
Lab's up ahead. Take them out.
Come the heck back! Yes, you're long enough!
Open up on them. All right, we're in. Time to rendezvous with the Major. Come on.
Good time!
2, Major!
Let's take out these Indians so we can get on with the goddamn show.
Yes, sir! Indy! Coming from the lab! Good one! Keep it up!
Who's next?
Got him!
On left.
Lab secure, Major.
I have eyes, Private. Now, let's get those plans.
Perfect timing. Come on. I'll take that.
Step aside, Private. Looks like these Indy scientists aren't too eager to meet us.
Andy, left side!
Hold him back.
Use the turret!
So you're Victor. That's a mix.
They're coming in on the right side!
Hold your position. Indy's on the left.
Keep them away from the lab!
Gears, hammer plans are in hand. We're coming back topside.
Frag out.
Don't let them through!
And there. Who's next? Next. Not again. Stop one. I'm out of ammo. Who's next?
Control! Package is secure.
Cleaner, proceed to the beach for marlin extract.
You hear that? Mortars!
Control, we got mortars incoming.
And I suggest you run, Major.
To the beach! Go, go, go!
Run, get out of here!
Don't stop! No! The beach is this way! Just ahead! Keep moving!
Oh God, I can't see shit!
When valiant COG forces captured the UIR's plans for the Hammer of Dawn, we ensured our survival in the worst conflict our world had yet known. But only 2 years later,
Corporal, we're coming in hot!
Almost there, Control.
Oh, shit!
That's the convoy.
Look out! Look out!
More of those goddamn things! What the hell is even happening?